friends, how's it going? I have three options today. It's raining, I'm home all day, she's home all day. So where's the best place to be when it's raining? Where's the best place to be when you're in all day? Where's the best place to be when she's in all day? So I decided I need a anvil, but I don't need an anvil like you big boys. I need an anvil because I don't do fix stuff. I do stuff like this, as most of you know anyway, don't you? Because you've watched my videos. And I got another thing in the back of my brain to do yet another car or a lorry or something. So what I wanted to do is make an anvil, but I don't want to make an anvil just like that. I want a Swiss Army a Swiss Army anvil. I want it so that slots in there so I can bend it over. I want this round so I can round edges. I want a couple of holes in there, and most of all I want it so it fits in my vise like that. If you're bored and it's raining and it's not Thursday's tomorrow, or by the time this video goes up it'll be Thursday, and we are live on a Thursday night. You want to pop in on a Thursday night and watch some right fucking nutters, pardon me swearing, for Thursday night. God almighty, you get some right nutters on it. I'm not a nutter, mind. So let's get middle road first, which is there. Quick video, blah blah blah. Let's not beat about your bush. Use a jubilee. Tighten it up a bit. Bit more. That gives you a nice where you want it. One end round. Scratch my fucking nose. That's staying square, that's going to be cleaned off, that's going to go on there. We're going to put something on there, and we need a rail on there. There's a lot of this cutting in it, that's what I'm thinking. Like a rhinestone cowboy. He died today, didn't he? Glenn Campbell died today. Getting cards and letters from people I don't even know. Offers coming over. I like them. He's alright. In fact, we used to sing a lot of his songs. So if we go like that, get that dead middle. Get that dead middle so it looks like we know what we're doing. We want that round. I've rounded that off. I'm keeping this one round, but I've squared that one off. Just one small step for a man. It's one fucking long cut for me. But the more you talk, the more you think about it. That's not a cutting blade, that's a thick one. It's really bad. You gotta tell everybody what, explain to them that, oh, I'm using, this is a cutting blade, this is not a cutting blade. You know, why should you have to say that? Because if you don't say it, somebody's going to say, oh, you shouldn't cut with that, you shouldn't grind with that blade, that's horrendously dangerous. Oh, fuck off, mate, will you? Fuck off, fuck off, fuck off. Fuck off, leave me alone, fuck off, fuck off. You don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Never been in a shed in your fucking life. The only tool you've ever picked up is a fucking pen. Or a fucking mouse. You know what, you know. People wind me up, I'm afraid, and I said, I've been married for 40 years, I need nobody to wind me up. She is fucking professional. And I'm fucking telling you, she winds me up really good. Right, I gotta cut this out. I heard somebody saying, that's gonna get hot in a minute. And I trust you. It do get hot, it does, it does. I was trying to go soft. That's the only blade I got. And if you cut it like a madman, it's gone in seconds, as we all know. Every damn one of us knows that trick. Right, we're going to see if we can get this fucking welder to work, because it's been very ill recently. They're going to go in there like that. See? Of course you can. Do you want to see? Of course you don't. Okay. Let's see if I can get a tack on here. Blindfolded. Pretty, isn't it, mate? Pretty. I don't want to go to work on me bike in the rain. Can you see me? The man's a fucking nut there. Cause sometimes it's hard to be a woman. So we got a place to stick under there and bend. I got a place to stick in there and bend. And we're going to have a place here to bend. I know it only goes in, well, it goes in an inch, don't it? So, you know, for what I do, great. For what you do, probably laughing your fucking lungs out, but I don't want to do what you do. I want to do what I do. Don't use these. I don't say many things are dangerous, but one of them are dangerous. Sometimes it's hard to love a Mexican. Let me show you. That's how dangerous them things are. Oh, Rob's doing it. Health and fucking safety. No, I'm just telling you. Be fucking careful. Well, that is health and safety if you tell them to be fucking careful. Well, they know what I mean. They know what I mean. Well, at least one of them do. You gotta feed the haters. Feed the haters. I think whoever invented that one, it just didn't like people, this one. They didn't like. And the thing is, as you know, and I guarantee, that probably come from China. Where eye protection. It's probably come from China, and as you know, they're not. You get like a pack of them for like £2. So you know they're not fucking safe, but you buy it because it's fucking cheap. Right, all I want now is a room with a view. All I want now is a couple of oars. You know what I mean, Abby? I know I swear a lot, but the years I've been into this trade, this is what. And the chuck is like a piece of fucking, like a piece of shite. Unless they made drills with triangle. So your free jaws would bite the triangle. Is that difficult to do? Obviously it fucking is. What I want is a masonry bit. I just want to dip this all. That's a stone drill, but they will cut steel. Believe me. Believe me. And that is basically it. I like, you like, or everybody like. But if you don't like, you there, you sat there, if you don't like, give us a shout. It's Thursday night. Come on Thursday Night Live. Tell me what you don't like. Go on. Go a pair of balls, you fucker. Satisfied? Somebody's been saying, why the hell did he broke that down? Why the hell did he broke that down? This is it finished. Now if I put that in there, because I wanted to fold that, pretty square edge on that one. This edge is a round edge. A roundy type thing. More rounded edge, which it is. I don't know if I can show you. Yeah, it's a roundy corner. That's a squarey corner. So that was the idea of that. This, I want it to panel beat. These oars was purely for, so I can do quickie corners, big or little, and then we got an indent there, but I can't find my ball hammer. Oh. And it was going to be purely for, I don't know if I can get in there with that. It was going to be purely for that sort of thing. Okay, so just a couple of little ideas for you. If you intend, you know, just, it is what it is. It's not, I'm not going to be bending thick stuff. I'm only going to be bending thinny stuff. If Andrew would have given me this, if Andrew would have given it to me, we could have called this an anvil. But he didn't give it to me. It's a Jasonvil. Jason gave it to me. We're going to call it a Jvil. And of course, the paint is still wet. See, it does. It does quite a nice corner there, doesn't it? For your Land Rover wing or whatever you want to make. So you need a ball hammer obviously, but I'm just showing you it's got capabilities. What I was hoping to do is, you know it already, put that in there. So you want to put that in there, exactly that deep, bend it over, give it some love, and then I was hoping, can I put it back here, do you mind? I'm not very good with one hand, I'm not very fucking good with two. Depends what you're fucking doing, I suppose. That should go in there, and then we should be able to use that as a pure wraparound. So you can get that as well, see? You've got to see the big picture. It's got more uses than just banging. Thanks for watching. Don't forget it's Thursday night. It's Thursday night live. You want to come on and have a go at me? Nah, I can't say that, can you? Most people are nice. Only some try to have a go at me. It was quick. It's easy. It's not Oscar winning. It's just a purely anvil. Oh, sorry, it's not it's a J-vil. We will actually do a decal, put it on there saying J-vil. Right, I gotta take this fucking voice off, excuse the language, and drill another fucking hole. So cheers, and I'll see you very soon. I don't want it, it's just something you can do. Put that on your bloopers.